Like most people shopping for homes these days, Chelsea started her search online before we hit the streets together to check out a few houses up close. A lot of these, though, are only like 2-bedroom, 1-bath.
Yeah.
And this is one of those neighborhoods that's got a mixture of, you know, real old folks and real young folks, so.
Yeah. The houses all seem to be designed the same.
Is that the one we were looking at?
I think so. Yeah, there it is.
Yeah. New price. Huh, I'm surprised there's not more houses for sale in here.
I guess that means people like it.
Mm-hmm.
There's one.
Location is always important in real estate, but because Chelsea's hobby is running, feeling comfortable in the neighborhood is also a high priority. Well, the lots sure aren't very big. I guess you don't want to do a lot of yard work anyway, do you? So what are you looking for ultimately?
Well, I mean, I only need 1 bedroom, so I guess 2-bedroom, 1-bath would be good.
Well, there's a small neighborhood up here that's similar to this one. I like these established neighborhoods with trees. In older areas, a nice mix of newly restored homes and well-kept original homes is usually a good sign.
Here's one.
Yeah, here we go. Yep, that one's the one. Go up there a little bit more. I don't know how they put that carport so close to the property line.
Not very big either.
Oh, that's a skinny little thing. Maybe it's for a bicycle. I see a window unit. That's not good. I don't know about that.
Gotta have your AC down here. Oh, this is the one that has the basement and the attached garage.
Basement.
Yeah, it has a basement.
Whoa, that looks pretty nice. But it's important to not stop looking after you see something you like. This house is a great example of that. People, I mean, they put this on the market like that. I mean, that just makes you feel like everything's neglected.
Yeah.
Look at this right here.
Yeah.
See, that's termite dead.
Termites?
You can tell that by the layers that it has.
Oh, yeah.
And look how they just painted just really. Yeah, this looks, there's no telling what you would find on something like this. What the heck?
What is that?
What the heck is this? A carport for a bicycle?
Maybe that's the basement entry.
And then just where does the water go in here, see?
Yeah.
No, this is not for you. At this stage in a search, you have to work at not getting too attached to each house so you can remain objective.
Green one?
That's pretty.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, that's it. Well, you're a good painter. At first glance, something like this cedar tree seems to be an asset, but after a closer look, it appears to be overtaking the house. So it's up on piers, you can see that, but you see how that water kind of traps down in there?
Oh, yeah.
I wonder why they would build a carport or some kind of, well, that garage doesn't look like it's in too good a shape, but
Yeah.
I don't know how they got away with building this right here and why they didn't attach it to the house.
Yeah, that's kind of weird.
Now this again, what's like 1940?
Yeah.
Look at that, how that's,
Well, hurricane wind.
yeah, but look at all the camellias and whatever that is. Pretty cool.
Anything you see that says, no, we shouldn't even contact a realtor?
No, I mean, I don't see, you know, it's up off the ground a little ways.
Yeah.
Still a little water seems like it's trapping in here, but I think I'd like to see inside this thing.
Okay.
I don't know, why don't you call your realtor and let's see if we can't get inside this one. It's got a good feel to it.
Okay.